into my companion. Are they lost or are they found? Have they counted the cost it'll take to bring down all the earthly principles they're gonna have to abandon? And there's a slow train coming. I'll be round the bend. She sure was realistic. She said, boy, without a doubt, have to quit your mess and straighten out. You could die down here, be just another accident statistic. And there's a slow train coming up around the bend. All that foreign oil controlling American soil. Look around you, it's just bound to make you embarrassed. Sheiks walking around like kings, wearing fancy jewels and those rings, deciding America's future from Amsterdam into Paris. And there's a slow train coming up around. You can't rely no more to be standing around and waiting in the home of the brave. Jefferson turning over in his grave. Fools glorify themselves, try to manipulate Satan. And there's a slow train coming up around the bend. Big time negotiators, false healers and woman haters, masters of the bluff and masters of the proposition. But the enemy I see wears a cloak of decency. All non-believers and men stealers talking in the name of religion. And there's a slow train coming up around the bend. Grain elevators are bursting. Oh, you know